Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to create poll on WhatsApp. Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through messages to gather opinions from your WhatsApp group? Do you wish there was an easier way to conduct polls and engage with your contacts? Well, fret not, because today we're here to unveil the ultimate solution: how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Ever wondered how businesses and community leaders effortlessly gather feedback and make decisions on WhatsApp? Wonder no more. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets behind creating engaging and interactive polls that keep your audience hooked. Let's make every conversation count. Open your WhatsApp and head to the group or chat where you want to create the poll. Look for the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip, and tap on it. Among the options that pop up, select Poll to begin crafting your survey. Now, type in the question you want to ask in the designated field. Below the question, you'll see the Options section. Here, input the various choices you want to provide as answers to your question. By default, WhatsApp allows users to select multiple options. If you want to restrict this, simply deselect the checkbox of the Allow Multiple Answers setting. Once you've set up your question and options, it's time to send out your poll. Just hit the Send button and voila! Your poll is live for participants to engage with. With these easy steps, you can now harness the power of WhatsApp polls to gather feedback, make decisions, or simply spark lively discussions within your groups. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start polling. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.